He's 38, but he looks 18. How is that possible? Well, I found the Korean's skincare secret. To look young and youthful, no need to travel to Korea. You can do it right here at Hanok K-Beauty in Beverly Hills. Let me just take you guys with me. This is the most beautiful spa that I have ever visited. The staff and the workers are super nice over here. They gave us a warm welcoming. By the way, I'm taking my mom with me. We're gonna have a mother and daughter day. Esther was our analysis and she gave us so much knowledge. She gave our complimentary 3D skin analysis to understand our unique skin needs. Girl, the amount of skincare I do on daily basis, imagine my skin was still super dry according to this analysis. I had blackheads, whiteheads, and the oil level of my skin was super low. Of course, I'm gonna go for glass skin, and my mom wanted to do the anti-aging. I have told my mom so much about Korean skincare and Korean facials. She was so excited. Look how cute we look. I started with detoxifying foot soak with essential oils and herbs and enoki wood. Karen is my esthetician, and she's super sweet. She started with a gentle, natural cleanse and followed by a deep cleaning tailored to my skin. And then she looked deep into my pores and used a PHA soft peel for exfoliation. Next, she applied a mask to hydrate and soothe my skin. And then she went for a lymphatic drainage massage on my face. It also helps to improve circulation on the face. Also on my shoulder, my neck, oh my gosh, released so much tension, relaxed my body. Now she's going deep into my pores and removing all those blackheads, whiteheads that were hidden there. I forgot to tell you guys, this is a 12-step facial and 90 minutes and more. And we're not even close. We have so much more to go for the glass skin. Here's my favorite part of this facial, the ultrasonic infusion of their specialty, the glass skin. She's using the PDRM ampoule. You can look that up and you will see the benefit of it. This is a ultrasonic waves. It's infused with custom blend of brightening, hydrating, and smoothing ingredients going deep into my skin, allowing for maximum absorption. Okay, this is a powerful step to promote a luminous, glass-like complexion by locking in moisture, boosting elasticity, and enhancing skin tone and texture for a truly radiant glow. This facial pack is basically maximizes the benefit of this treatment and seals in all the ingredients of this facial treatment, leaving the skin glowy and deeply hydrated and protected. And then she used the red light therapy to promote collagen production and speed healing. Oh my god, do you see that glass skin? I'm going to show you guys in the natural lighting as well. Look at this cute little area for tea time. We picked our favorite tea and went for a calming tea ceremony with the organic Jeju Island tea to refresh and rehydrate, bringing a perfect end to our skincare journey. My mom loved the facial and the experience and she's already planning to come for next month. You guys, I am so obsessed with my skin. This is a glass skin. I only have sunscreen on, nothing else. Oh my god, I enjoyed so much creating this spa day video for you guys. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about my glass skin, and if you like this video, give your girl a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe because I post every Saturdays and Sundays, and click the bell icon so we can stay connected. I love you guys. Bye.